Hi there, students. Levity. Okay, levity is a noun. I think levity is an uncountable noun. I wouldn't say a levity. Okay, levity is humour, a lack of seriousness, especially when you should be serious. Yeah, during a serious on a serious occasion. Yeah, so levity, amusement, or a lack of seriousness. So there is much too much levity in this classroom, and I want you to stop chatting and laughing with each other. Yeah, enough of the levity. Okay, levity is treating something that's serious with humour or perhaps with a lack of respect. Um, Everybody was terribly serious in the funeral, and I made a few jokes to add a touch of levity to the proceedings, but they all scowled at me. To scowl is to look really angry. Yeah, to scowl. Okay, so levity. It's behaviour that tends to treat things in a non-serious way. I think this word levity is probably rather literary. Yeah. His grandfather disapproved of levity. Yeah, of light-heartedness, trivializing things, being silly, being frivolous, and this is the idea of levity. Okay, so humor or merriment, especially when on a serious occasion. This is a serious subject and should not be treated with such levity. Yeah, you shouldn't make jokes about it. So it's got the idea of an inappropriate lack of seriousness. I think the opposite of levity would be gravity. So there was a tone of levity in his voice. There was a tone of gravity in his voice. Gravity, very serious. But if there's a tone of levity, he's joking. Yeah, he's being flippant. Yeah, maybe he's being facetious. So yes, this was not the occasion for levity. There's much too much levity in my classroom, and you really, really need to study. So yes, taking things lightly, yeah, being frivolous, not being serious when it's not appropriate, making jokes out of things that are serious as well. Yeah, levity. I said not countable, maybe a levity, a frivolous act, something light-hearted, but that's much more unusual. Okay, you've also got the adjective Levitous, yeah, showing levity, but this adjective Levitous is very unusual. Okay, so be careful where to use it, because as it's very unusual, it makes it really very formal. So levity, as I said before, I think this word is it sounds rather literary. um, let's see, I think I would give it 6.5 in formality. um, could you use it in an informal conversation? I think maybe light-heartedness, joke, stop the joke, stop the levity. Yeah, that's enough of the levity. No, that's enough of the joke. Stop messing around and be serious about it. And then, as to origin, well, it comes from levitas in Latin, which comes from, well, levitas means lightness or frivolity, and levis itself means light, as in not heavy, something that doesn't weigh. The word a lever is related to levis as well, because it makes your work much lighter, makes light work of something. Okay, so levity, making jokes in a serious situation. Yeah, enough levity. Stop laughing at me. It's really enough. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Levity, and even Levitous, but be careful of that.